In this video, I am going to show you how to add Payoneer to Fiverr account. As a freelancer on Fiverr, receiving your hard-earned earnings efficiently and securely is crucial for a successful freelancing career, and Payoneer provides that. To do that, step 1. Sign up for a Payoneer account. You can check our previous video to see how to create a Payoneer account. After that, log into your Fiverr account and go to the Selling tab. Click on Earnings and select Revenues. Under the Fiverr Revenue Card section, click on Setup Now. Select Payoneer as your payment method and click on Link your account. You'll be redirected to Payoneer's website to log into your Payoneer account. Follow the instructions on Payoneer's website to complete the integration process. Once linked, you'll receive a confirmation email from Fiverr and Payoneer. After integrating Payoneer, return to the Fiverr website and under the Fiverr Revenue Card section, click on Setup Now. Here, you can set up your payment details such as the currency you want to receive payments and your preferred payment method. After that, review the payment details you provided, and if everything is accurate, click on Save. With Payoneer successfully integrated onto your Fiverr account, you can now receive payments seamlessly. Your earnings will be transferred to your Payoneer account and you can withdraw them using your preferred payment method. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if this tutorial helpful, and I will see you on the next one. In this video, I am going to show you